So we've just started our return trip back down from the tip the first night, staying just down from Punson Bay. And we've had a very special thing happen here tonight. One of the turtles tried to grace us with her presence and lay some eggs right in front of our campsite. That is one clever turtle.
She is so clever.
Yep.
Well
she hasn't seen the full.
done.
Watch where she buried him, so we get the shovel. So they're coming back up.
What do you want for breakfast, Alec?
Scrambled eggs.
Take a look, it'll put you for you. I'm in the pants of a kangaroo, but I don't do. Take a look, it'll put you from the pants of a kangaroo.
Hey!
What is going on under here?
We're just leaking a bit of water out of the old girl, so trying to figure out where the water tank leak is. I have to go.
Exhaust fell off the back of the turbo.
Bugger.
Sounded good. Taste for days.
What's going on here, Blake? The PDR claims another draw. Apparently doesn't want me to put my shit away.
Oh wow, Alex, I need that.
What was that?
Just what undies. It looked like real undies.
Because they... Oh, hang it.
$22 a pair.
Come on, make that harder.
Alright then. If there's a conveyor belt with a plane on it.
Holy shit!
And it wants to take off. So seriously, would it take off?
What are you doing?
Making coffee.
We're woken up this morning and we've found a friend in our campsite. Hey. He's been eating everyone's food around the campsite, so locking up some idle hours.
Oh my god.
The horses attack us.
I also ate LCMs, the cornflakes, and the wheat mix. Oh my god! That's so naughty.
Bloody horses. Get a load of popcorn. What I'm looking for is like just a really natural kind of line, just one that really suits what I might have had before.
Yeah, like, just like following like your natural like arches of your face. Just accentuating like your natural beauty. I think that really suits you.
If someone cracks a cold one in the bush and the boys aren't there to hear it, did he really crack a cold one?